So how can you start a cleaning business with only $300? So I'm Rick Brown and I'm the founder of Clean Launch, and we help commercial cleaning company owners get to the next level. And after growing my own 7-figure commercial cleaning business, there's a right way of having a commercial cleaning business. Because a lot of cleaning company owners, they get 3, 4, 5 commercial cleaning contracts and they stay at that level. But the right way to do this is by closing multiple commercial contracts and putting an amazing cleaner in place. And that could be an hourly worker or a subcontractor. And then you use your time to get more commercial contracts. So over time, you build a portfolio with commercial contracts paying you every single month. So imagine having 20, 40, 50 commercial cleaning contracts that are each paying you every single month. And when we focus on commercial contracts, it's a lot bigger contracts compared to residential clients, because commercial cleaning is a lot more hours and it's usually ongoing, and most of them it's ongoing cleaning. So if you had a contract that took 5 hours to clean per visit, 5 days a week, that would be about a $4,000 contract per month. So imagine having 20, 30, and that's what we help you do. So how do you actually start a cleaning business with $300? So before anything, you need the basics. You need a phone number so you can contact potential clients, and you need access to a vehicle so you can get to places and bring your cleaning equipment. So with $300, you're gonna buy the necessary equipment to make money. So you're gonna need a mop bucket, a mop stick, a vacuum, microfiber cloths, vinegar, floor cleaner, degreaser, toilet bowl acid, and just the basics to get a house cleaned. If you had to do a student move out unit, make sure you have the necessary cleaning stuff to get the job done. And it's pretty basic. It shouldn't cost more than $300. A shock vacuum shouldn't cost more than $100. And the mop bucket, the mop stick, the floor cleaner, the spray bottle, the vinegar, the disinfectant, the degreaser, the toilet bowl acid, those are all things that are not that expensive. So you can buy all of that for under $300, and you can have a little money left over for gas money. So you take your $300 and now you do some residential jobs. So you can find residential cleaning jobs by going online, posting them on Facebook Marketplace, going on Craigslist, alright? Going on online search directories and putting yourself there. Responding to ads locally. A lot of people are looking for a house cleaner and they post an ad for it. Respond to those ads. Post ads. Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, Craigslist. Type on Google house cleaning and make sure you register on those websites. Or you can contact local cleaning companies and ask them if they're open to subcontract jobs, alright? Because a lot of cleaning companies, they're struggling finding cleaners. So if they can give you work, they take a cut and you can get free clients. You know, that's the fastest way to bring money in. Find your own residential clients. Find some commercial subcontract jobs, alright? Or residential sub jobs, and do those one-time cleans. And you can easily get to $4,000 or $5,000 per month doing these jobs by simply being a cleaner. You can even get to $7,000 per month doing all the work yourself. When I was a subcontractor, I was bringing in $5,000, $6,000 and I was doing all of the cleaning. I just saw it as exercising and a way to learn, because I would listen to audiobooks while I was cleaning. So I was getting exercise done, I was learning, and I was getting paid. But I started realizing that if I wanted to get to the next level, I needed to find my own commercial cleaning contracts. Because when you play with smaller numbers, it's hard to make the big numbers. And to make the big numbers, you need to focus on the big commercial cleaning contracts, because it's a lot easier. It's the same routine over and over again, and you put an amazing cleaner in place and you simply take a cut every single month. So instead of doing all the work yourself, you close a commercial contract and you take 35–40% a month profit without having to clean, because you find the contract and you find an amazing cleaner, you pay them good, you keep them accountable, and they do the cleaning every month. So once you have some cash flow coming in and you have a little savings, the fastest way to go from a residential cleaner or a contractor to an established commercial cleaning business is by working with someone who already has a 7-figure commercial cleaning business. Why reinvent the wheel all by yourself when you can reinvent the wheel with someone who already has a wheel working for them? So you don't spend the next 6 months, 1 year, 5 years trying to figure this out and barely getting a contract here and there, when you can do the right things from the start and be further ahead over time. Because we all have the same 24 hours, but why are some people still stuck while other people are insanely ahead? And that is simply because they did things differently. See, before I started my own commercial cleaning business, I was cleaning for over 5 years. I was a residential cleaner. I cleaned student move-out units, post-construction units. I was a subcontractor. And I realized that if I wanted to escape what you call the matrix, I needed to create a system that works for me. See, we're all taught in order to make money, you need to find a job, trade your time, and you get paid. But let me ask you this question. If you're able to get the job done, the client's happy, the cleaner's happy, and you simply collect a percentage, and that's a system that pays you every single month without actually having to do the cleaning yourself. Yes, once you get to 20, 30, 50 commercial contracts, there's gonna be more management time. Sometimes clients complain, the cleaners don't work out, so you have to find new cleaners, show them the place, you need to inspect, and etc. But we simply hire a general manager to do that for us. So imagine you have 50 commercial contracts, you have a general manager in place, you have supervisors in place, so your system works every single month. And since you are the owner, this is all working for you. If the job's getting done, the business is operating smoothly, it's bringing profits every single month, all right? And that way you can be a true business owner. So guys, don't do everything by yourself, because that was the biggest mistake I did. When I started, there was nobody who specialized in commercial cleaning. So I did walkthroughs where I didn't know how to price correctly and the client didn't call me. Or I did walkthroughs and I didn't have a closing process in place, so the client picked a different cleaning company because I didn't have a closing method in place. And let me tell you, there's nothing more frustrating than going to a meeting and not closing that contract. But the biggest breakthrough I had was creating a system that generated leads on autopilot. So I started running Google ads. I added the right filters in place to not waste money on poor leads. And people will go to my website, request a quote, and then I set up the meeting. So don't reinvent the wheel all by yourself. When we have a program for you, we have a done for you service. So we launch your commercial cleaning business and make you appear like an established commercial cleaning business in under a week. So building your website, giving you that winning proposal, those brochures, setting you up on Google, and then we coach you one-on-one through the process, and we give you the step-by-step systems so you can do this for yourself. So when you do a walkthrough, for example, you have a step-by-step sheet so you maximize your closing rate. So guys, click below and schedule a call if you're ready to take your cleaning business to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to message me on Instagram. I'll be happy to help.